Division.
Division, meaning there are 15 mangoes. Each boy was given 3 mangoes. How many boys would get these mangoes? How many times of 3 is equal to 15? Recite multiplication table of 3 up to 15. So, 5 into 3 equal to 15. We can also find this by subtraction. Subtract 3 at a time until there are none left. How many 3's have been taken away when you reach 0? 15 minus 3 equal to 12. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. We can show 5 into 3 equal to 15 on the number line. This multiplication can be undone on a number line by starting at 15 and going to the left by skipping 3 steps at a time until 0 is reached. In all the ways discussed above, we observe that when 15 mangoes were divided into groups of 3, there are 5 groups. We can also say that a group of 15 can be separated into 5 groups of 3 each, or there are 5 3's in 15 as shown below. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. The number to be divided, that is, 15 is called the dividend. The number by which the dividend is divided, that is, 3 is called the divisor. The number obtained after division, that is 5, is called quotient.
Now, let's take another example. Take 16 flowers and make groups of 5. Here you can see that 1 flower is left. When the divisor is not contained in the dividend an exact number of times, then the number left over after division is called the remainder. So, the left flower is the remainder. Let us divide 54 by 7. Here, in multiplication table of 7, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 eighths are 56. Since 56 is greater than 54, so 49 will be subtracted from 54. By doing this, we will have 5 as a remainder. Hence, we can say that when we divide 54 by 7, the quotient is 7 and the remainder is 5. To verify the division result, we multiply the quotient by the divisor and add remainder to this product. The result should be equal to dividend. Divisor into quotient plus remainder is equal to dividend.
When any number is divided by 1, the quotient is that number. For example, 15 divided by 1 is equal to 15. Also, if a number is divided by itself except 0, the quotient is 1. For example, 16 divided by 16 is equal to 1. 1256 divided by 1256 is equal to 1. If 0 is divided by any number other than 0, the quotient is 0. For example, 0 divided by 13 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 2157 is equal to 0.
Division with 2-digit divisor. Divide 7648 by 18. Method. Starting from the thousands place, we consider 76, the number formed by first 2 digits 7 and 6 of the dividend, as the divisor is a 2-digit number. 18 is smaller than 76. By using the multiplication table of 18, we find that 18 fours are 72. Let's write the quotient 4 above and 72 below 76, which goes up to 76 4 times and yields 4 as a remainder. Let's write the quotient 4 above 6 and 72 below 76, which will give 4 as a remainder. Now bring 4 down. It has become 44. Recite multiplication table again. 18 twos are 36 and 18 threes are 54. So, we will write 36 here. 2 as quotient, and this will give us 8 as a remainder. Bringing down 8 will make it 88. We know that 18 fours are 72. So, again we got 4 as a quotient and, after subtraction, 16 as a remainder. Hence, we get 424 as the quotient and 16 as the remainder. Now, let's do verification. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. 18 into 424 plus 16 is equal to 7,648. We get 7,648, which is dividend. Thus, division is verified.
Division with 3-digit divisor. Example 1. Divide 6,24,843 by 942. Solution. Step 1. The divisor contains 3 digits. So, consider first 3 digits of the dividend, that is, 624 is less than 942. So take first 4 digits of the dividend, that is 6,248. To get trial quotient, divide 62 by 9. The trial quotient is 6. 942 into 6 is equal to 5,652. So take 6 as a quotient. Subtract 6,248 minus 5,652 is equal to 596. Step 2. Bring down the next digit, that is 4. Now, divide 5,964 by 942. 942 into 6 is equal to 5,652 is less than 5,964. Take 6 as a quotient. Subtract 5,652 from 5,964. 5,964 minus 5,652 is equal to 312. Step 3. Bring down the next digit, that is 3. Divide 3,123 by 942. 942 into 3 is equal to 2,826. The quotient is 3. 3,123 minus 2,826 is equal to 297. 297 is the remainder. Therefore, quotient is equal to 663. Remainder is equal to 297.
Division by 10, 100 and 1000. Divide 178 by 10. 10 ones are 10. 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. Now, bring down 8 and pair it with 7. It becomes 78. 10 sevens are 70. 78 minus 70 is equal to 8. So, we get 17 as the quotient and 8 as the remainder. Divide 436 by 100. First, 100 goes till 7. 100 sevens are 700. 754 minus 700 is equal to 54. Bring down 3 and group it with 54. 100 fives are 500. 543 minus 500 is equal to 43. Bring down 6 and group it with 43. Then 100 fours are 400. 436 minus 400 is equal to 36. Here quotient is 754 and remainder is 36. Divide 7,58,395 by 1000. Let us start dividing. 1000 sevens are 7,000. 7,583 minus 7,000, we get 583. Bring down 9. 1,000 fives are 5,000. 5,839 minus 5,000 equals to 839. Bring down 5. 1,000 eighths are 8,000. 8,395 minus 8,000 equals to 395. Here 758 is quotient and 395 is remainder. Did you notice something common in these divisions? Carefully see the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Can you solve these kind of sums without division? Division problems. A shopkeeper paid rupees 7,24,625 for the purchase of watches at a cost of rupees 935 each. How many watches did he purchase? Solution. Cost of one watch is rupees 935. Therefore, number of watches that can be purchased for rupees 7,24,625 will be rupees 7,24,625 divided by rupees 935. Thus, the shopkeeper purchased 775 watches. Let's have another example. A prize money of rupees 6633 was distributed equally among 11 players. How much money did each player get? Let's solve this. Prize money is equal to rupees 6,633. Number of players is equal to 11. Sum of money each player will get is equal to rupees 6,633 divided by 11 is equal to rupees 603. Daily life problems involving more than one operations. Example 1. Mr. Jonathan bought 175 pens. He kept 25 pens aside and packed remaining pens equally in 6 packets. How many pens does each packet have? Solution. Total number of pens is equal to 175. Pens packed in packets equals 175 minus 25 is equal to 150. Since 6 packets are packed, therefore, number of pens in each packet equals to 150 divided by 6, which is equal to 25. In this module, you will learn about order of operations and simplification of statements. Order of operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the four fundamental operations in mathematics. Till now, you have solved problems of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division separately. But what if they all come together? For example, 17 minus 5 plus 9, or 36 divided by 9 plus 3 into 4 minus 8 involves one or more of these operations indicated by their signs. In first case, we perform these operations according to the following rules. Type 1. When a problem involves addition and subtraction signs. Step 1. Add all the numbers with addition sign. Step 2. Add all the numbers with subtraction sign. Step 3. Subtract the sum obtained in step 2 from the sum obtained in step 1. In second case, where a problem involves the signs addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, then perform the operations in the following order. Step 1. Operation of division. Step 2. Operation of multiplication. Step 3. Operation of addition. Step 4. Operation of subtraction. We can remember it as DMAS. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Let us observe an example and simplify this statement. 6,738 minus 9,517 plus 52,375 minus 28,170. In step 1, we will add all the numbers with the plus sign, that is 6,738 with 52,375, and we will get 59,113. In step 2, we will add all the numbers with the minus sign. So, let us find the sum of 9,517 and 28,170. That is 37,687. In step 3, we will subtract the sum obtained in step 2. That is 37,687 from sum obtained in step 1. That is 59,113. After subtraction, we get the answer, which is 21,426. Let us simplify the statement. 48 divided by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 2 minus 6. According to the DMAS rule, first we will divide, then multiply, then add, and then subtract at the end. So, in step 1, let us divide 48 by 8. After division, we get 6. So, we will write the statement as 6 plus 7 into 2 minus 6. In step 2, we will multiply 7 and 2. 7 2s are 14. So, now it is 6 plus 14 minus 6. In step 3, we will add 6 and 14. After adding up, we get 20. So, we will write 20 minus 6. In step 4, we will do subtraction. Let us subtract 6 from 20. We get the answer, that is 14. Let us observe another example. The bookstore keeper ordered 30 medical books for rupees 575 each and 35 engineering books for rupees 480 each. How much does he have to pay in all? Look at the step 1. Medical books ordered by storekeeper are 30. Cost of each book is rupees 575. To find the total amount, let us multiply amount of each book with number of books. Multiply rupees 575 with 30. It will be rupees 17250. In step 2, number of engineering books ordered are 35. Cost of each book is rupees 480. To find total amount of engineering books, multiply amount of each book with total books. Multiply rupees 480 with 35, which is rupees 16800. In step 3, to find the total amount to be paid, let us add rupees 17,250 plus 16,800, which is rupees 34,050. Let us solve another problem. The monthly salary of a man is rupees 39,750. His annual expenses is rupees 2,50,000. Out of the balance amount, he pays an annual LIC premium of rupees 37,490 and deposits the balance amount in bank. How much does he deposit in the bank? Monthly salary of a man is rupees 39,750. Annual expenses is rupees 2,50,000. In step 1, we will find annual salary of man. For this, let us multiply monthly salary with 1 year, that is 12 months. So, multiply rupees 39,750 with 12, which is rupees 4,77,000. In step 2, to find the balance amount in bank, we will add annual expenses and annual LIC premium, that is 2,50,000 plus 37,490 equals to rupees 2,87,490. Then subtract this sum from annual salary, that is 4,77,000 minus 2,87,490, which is equal to 1,89,510.